Yes, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Definitely glad to have you back to the Freedom Coach Cashflow Builder YouTube channel. Now, what we're going to talk about today, of course, which is one of the main things I'm totally excited about, is our How Money Works game plan. So before I get started, for the people that don't know who I am, my name is Fahim Muhammad, the Freedom Coach, Chartered Senior Financial Planner, Licensed Mortgage Broker, Real Estate Broker, Investment Insurance Broker, author, three-time author of the Highly Claimed Book series, Making It Happen from Zero to Hero, Credit to Freedom, and Freedom is Not for Sale. Also, I'm an international speaker and trainer, but most important, I'm going to help you get to your goals and give you a strategy how to do that. So let's get started. Now, before we get started, one of the main things I want to do, because I don't want to forget, hit that bell up, down, to the left, right, to the side, turn all the way around. Make sure you hit the bell so you can subscribe to the channel and hit the like so we can make for sure that you get some of the new announcements. Now, just like anything, I don't know how many of you all have a favorite dessert. I'm going to let y'all know a secret. I got a favorite dessert, and it's called banana pudding. Don't give me no bootleg wafers. Give me them Nabisco vanilla wafers, right? That's right. Don't give me them discount dollar wafers. Talking about it's all going to taste the same. They the same kind of wafers. They are not. Ladies and gentlemen, branding is important. Ingredients is important. But most important, systems, recipes, or better known in business, we call syntax is important. And so what we're going to talk about, how money works game plan, is what happens is in everything that you do is some form of strategy and system. And so we teach a lot of things here at the Freedom Team Apex marketing group and on our YouTube channel. And also got to give you an announcement also to be listening to and look out for Free Yourself podcast as we talk about different financial and life things. We want you to understand that it's certain structures, recipes, and systems you want to have. So the first thing, I have a patent, something that's called K.N.T, which I'm going to break down. Okay, this is something that I have learned over years of experience, and that I have making efforts to have the patent pendant on it. And basically, it is kinetic neural transformation. You say, what the heck is some kinetic neural transformation? Only the Freedom Coach can come out with that. Got it. Kinetic, as in kinesiology, stands for your body. Neuro stands for, of course, your mind. And the T, transformation, stands for action. Okay? You gotta take action. So you're looking at the first thing that you gotta do. You got to be able to focus, okay? You got to have focus, something that you want to do, also better known as something in your mind. You got to have a focus. The next thing is what you're going to do. Then once you have a focus, then you got to have a system, something that you do with your body, okay? And then the next thing is you have to be consistent, all right? That's better, right? Y'all get it. You got to be consistent, which is your action, okay? What this will give you right here is going to give you freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, if you take the financial strategies and the life strategies that we share and showing you, that if you focus, you have a concept, an ideal, a dominant thought in your mind, you use your body. You actually got to decide that, number one, that you're going to do something. That's why they let you know that motion create emotion, that you got to do something. You have a system. You have a recipe. I love banana pudding. That you better believe that if I put the wafers in before I put the cream, the pudding in, that it ain't going to taste the same. If I chill it for 1 minute versus chill it for 5 minutes, it's going to taste different. Some people put it in the oven so they can brown the little stuff on the top, right? Everybody got different ways. But if you don't have a system, it's not going to turn out the same way all the time. Then the next thing, you got to be consistent. A lot of times people have a plate, they have a financial strategy, and they bail on it too soon. Ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do is a check and balance. You have to see where it works. That's why I will make sure you focus in on me. You got to determine where it works, keep doing where it don't work, and what is not working. Then all you do is just tweak it and improve it. You do not abate it. You do not stop doing it. You just tweak it. And you rotate that. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do that for the period of time, you will get freedom. What you will be developing, and I close out with is this. You will be developing, which is probably PBA. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to be successful in your financial life. You want to be successful in your business life. You need to develop what is called a pattern business activity. You have to have a pattern of business activity to be successful. Ladies and gentlemen, people look at some personal trainers and be like, man, not all, because some fat, right? All out of shape, right? But some personal trainers, real talk, are in shape. How you think they got their weight? Do you think they got their weight going to that gym 1 day a week, 2 days a week, or 3 days a week? Do you think they got it working out and then not working out, eating right, not eating right, thinking right, not think right? Better yet, you look at people who are very successful in business, in speaking, or they have accumulated money and wealth. Do you think they just worked on it 1 week, worked on it 1 month? Or do you think it was a pattern that they did and they repeated? They had a pattern of business activity or a pattern of successful PSA or personal activity where they continue to do it over and over again. So you can write down either PBA or PSA, pattern of successful activity or a pattern of business activity. Ladies and gentlemen, as I get ready to bring this to a close, and again, so I don't forget, hit that button at the top, the bottom, left, right, one of the corners. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bing, the bell button. Make sure so you get the alerts. But you want to be successful in How Money Works game plan, how to be successful in your personal life, your social life, your business life, your financial life. You have to have some form of strategy. I'm telling you, K.N.T is the strategy to do that. Kinesiology or neurotransformation to do it, where you have a focus, you have a system, you have consistency. You're using your mind, your body, and actions for you to get freedom. You have personal business activity or personal success activity, and you're doing it day in and day out. See, ladies and gentlemen, how you have a good family is not what you say to your children one day, is what you say to your children over and over again. How you have a fulfilled relationship is not the love you give in the honeymoon stage when you first date. It is the little things that you give 2 and 3 years later down the line. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not what you do up front to invest to be successful. It's how consistently that you could do it over a period of time. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to be successful. Make sure you get after this thing. Make sure you come back, subscribe to the channel. Tell 5 or 7 people. I got a channel that you can learn and find some things about personal growth. Make sure you also get our podcast free yourself podcast. Make sure you sign up for that as well. None of these things cost any money, and we want to make for sure we take you to the next level. So as I say all the time, my name is Fahim Muhammad, the Freedom Coach, Cashflow Builder. Free yourself for all fears and doubts, and your dreams will follow. I'm out, y'all. Let's do it.